Biohazardous waste refers to biological substances or bioagents present in or generated from the work environment that may pose health risks to the workers and to the community as a whole. These harmful substances are commonly found in hospitals, laboratories as well as in homes. Proper care or caution should be taken when handling this trash, and proper method of disposal employed. For years now, Biohazardous Waste Disposal Nashville service has built its reputation in handling this trash in an environment-friendly manner. These infectious bio-wastes are categorized into 6 different types. One of them is human body fluids, which includes cerebral spinal fluid, amniotic fluid, and saliva, just to mention a few. The other category is human blood and blood products. Good examples of blood products are serum and plasma. All human body parts, organs and tissues that have been removed through surgical procedures or autopsy fall under pathological wastes. Animal wastes category includes carcass and body parts of animals or any other wastes from animals which is believed to be infected and is a threat to human. Microbiological wastes are infectious materials found in laboratories, and examples include discarded live viruses and specimen cultures. Blood or fluids containing infectious pathogens, among others. The last category of biohazardous wastes is sharp materials like needles, blades used in various hospital procedures. To dispose bio-wastes involves a process, and the right procedures should be followed. You need to first treat these wastes to render them harmless. For instance, small quantities of blood should be disinfected first, disposed into the drain, and then flushed with water. Nevertheless, you cannot do the same when it comes to large quantities of blood, because they can clog the drain system. For as such, you need a special method, like autoclaving. There are some infectious wastes, though, that cannot be disposed in the laboratories. The medical staff should prepare such wastes and take them to a treatment and disposal site. Some of the things that the medical staff does are to label the waste, including the date of packaging. This helps the professionals at the treatment and disposal site be able to easily identify each package and take the appropriate measures. Packaging of infectious wastes is done according to the category it falls in. Contaminated infectious wastes is packaged in either autoclave bags or sharp containers, which are designed specifically for that work, then burned in an incinerator before being disposed to waste area. Wastes which are not contaminated are packaged in a glass box, then disposed in garbage bins. In the home, infectious wastes may not pose a great threat, but they still require to be handled and disposed properly. Some of these dangerous wastes include insecticides, household polishes, rat poison, cosmetics, batteries, and grease, among others. There are cases where one member of the family suffering from an infectious disease like hepatitis B can accidentally contaminate sharp objects like a knife with blood. It is the responsibility of the homeowner to properly dispose these materials according to health standards of waste disposal. It is possible to come across radioactive materials at home or health facilities. One thing that you should know about these wastes is that they are very dangerous, especially if they contain high amount of radionuclides. To handle that wastes, you need to call in Hazardous Waste Disposal Nashville professionals. They are conversant with the radioactive waste disposal procedures.